Guys, and welcome back to EQ Planes, and today I'll be unboxing the new NG models, Flair Air 737-800. Now, this has been a model I've been waiting for a long time. I've requested this model a couple times directly to NG models, but before we take a look at the model, in the box should come a creator card, or sorry, not creator card, but a collector's card. Now, this collector's card, we should be able to redeem points off it on the NG Models website by using a scratch-off code on the back. Now, apparently it's not working quite yet. They're waiting until early February to get this system working, but these cards will be redeemable then, and they should come with every new NG model you buy. So let's take a closer look at this Flair Air 737-800. Now, this particular Flair Air 737-800 is a bit special to me. I flew on this plane in October of 2020. So yeah, I'm really glad they chose this registration. They have 3. This one has an alternate interior to the others and was also Flair's first 737-800. Now, the other thing about CFFLA is that it does not have the Flair logo painted on the winglets, or at least it didn't when I flew it. I believe it may have it painted on the winglets now, but this model still has it without the Flair logo painted on the winglets. Now, if NG models, I think they may have gotten the green ever so slightly wrong on the model. It still looks really good in my opinion. It's just, it looks like it could be ever so slightly off. Now, otherwise though, as you know, I do really like the NG model 737-800 mold. So the mold's a definite win. Here we'll take a look at the bottom of the model. You have that green coloring, along with the green on the wheels there. Looks excellent in my opinion. Yeah, this livery I originally not a huge fan of when it came out for, well, what to most people would be obvious reasons. But, yeah, the livery's definitely grown on me. Same with Flair Air's 737 MAX livery. Now, the 737-800 should be scheduled to leave the Flair fleet when their leases expire. So for all we know, they could be with Flair for another 5 years, or they could be with Flair for only until the end of this year. We don't know. But I am hoping Gemini Jets creates the 737 MAX for Flair, as that would also be a great addition to the collection. Anyways, I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you guys back next time.